Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Blurams Dome Flare Home Security Camera. This is a pan tilt zoom camera. It's got 2K resolution, it has all types of different features. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. It's in this wrapper right here. So here it is. As you can see, nice small form factor, and this thing can really rotate around. And then you also get this thing, can move up and down the actual lens itself. Looks like it's got a flashlight on top there, a microphone so you can communicate with whoever is behind the camera from your phone, straight from the app. And the rest of the box, we got this micro USB to USB cable, and then you've got this wall brick right here. And then you've also got a couple of drywall hooks and screws. So it looks like you can actually mount this on the bottom here, as you can see. So you can like mount this to a wall and get a view from like above, get a view from the side. And we've also got this little guide. If you do want to mount it, you simply put the sticker on the wall, drill right through, and you're good to go. So it makes it super easy. So we got the plug right here on the back, and it's right next to the set button. Looks like it's kind of doing a calibration type route here. So now we are taking a look at the Blurams app, and as you can see, the camera is currently pointing at me. I'm viewing it through my phone. I got it on full HD. You can set the standard definition or HD if you want that. It probably uses up more data for full HD, but then you get a better image. Simply drag your finger on the screen to move up or down and kind of move the lens that way, so you can get a very nice field of view. You can also go left to right. Here is a closer look at the camera. There's a speaker on the back that plays a siren, and that allows you to talk to whoever's behind the camera. And anything that you record on here or that gets recorded through motion will automatically save to the cloud if you have that set up. Overall, I highly recommend the Blurams Dome Flare camera if you're looking for a nice, simple way to get good security coverage. Thanks for watching.